To be honest, I've been in the position that they've been in, you know, being a student and being in culinary. My favorite part about doing it was getting some hands-on and actually working in the environment. So to be able to give them that opportunity, I think is great, you know, and just having hands-on experience is probably one of the most valuable things you can have.
Just cooking in general. I love cooking. I've been cooking since I was 6 years old. I love helping out my community.
I like it. New people coming every time to help in the communities.
It's like therapy for some people. Sometimes it's just a place to be yourself, and when you cook, you get to relax and eat beautiful food.